This is the scripture memory box that I have been using with my children. I learned of it just recently and it's been fantastic. Now, I've watched other videos on how to use it and we use it a little bit differently. We tailored it to our family. I really like it because we traveled a lot on deputation for several years, but you know, when you're not in one place for too long, some churches don't have a Sunday school memorization program, and therefore it's harder to get in that groove. But you could even use this with your children's memory program with Sunday school, I'm sure. But very simple. You've got your cards, your daily, your odd and even, days of the week, and then one card from 1 to 31 for every day of the month. And it's a rotation, so everybody knows that if you repeat, you remember things. So daily, we do this usually at lunchtime on the days that I am running things. When my husband's home, we do things a little different on those days. So this is the verse we're working on right now. And what I like to do is, when we start a new verse, is I like to explain it. So I have a 3-year-old, and one of the things that sticks out to her is under the shadow of thy wings, because I went and I told them that it was like the Lord has wings, and I explained to them the example of a hen with her baby chicks. And so when we talk about under the shadow of thy wings, that's what she remembers, and she brings that up. So I know that something is sticking there. And then if it's the first or third and so on, odd days of the month, once we have finished learning the verse in our daily, we bump it back to the odd portion. And so this is one that we learned just recently, and we review it on the odd days of the month. And on the even days of the month, we go back to this one that we learned before that. On Sunday, we usually do Sunday school stuff, so I don't have anything here. If you are super scheduled, you could go right ahead and do every day of the week. So here we just go on Mondays, we do this one, and as we learn new ones, we bump them back each category. So this is where we're at right now. We're doing on Tuesdays. We haven't gotten through learning, I haven't used it that long, but once we have pushed them all back till the Saturday, then we will put them in the number 1, and on the 1st of the month, that's the one we do, and on the 2nd of the month, we move to the next one, and so on. And in daily, odd, even, and days of the week sections, you would only have one verse, but then once you get them into the month section, you can pile in as many behind each day of the month as you would like. So that's what we do. It's worked really well for us so far. I've done other things. If we do longer portions, then I like to just review, and then each day we add as we can. But for just 1 or 2 verses, this is a great program, and it's really worked well for us. You can find the little box thing where you can just use make your own cards like I did. But there's also the Charlotte Mason program has them printables, free printables, I think. But that's what we do. Just if that helps anybody, that's great. And like I said, you can tailor it to your family. If there's a day of the week that you do something else, then you can just not put anything in that section. Like I don't on Sunday. We do other things. So just wanted to share that, and hopefully it helps someone else. I also, if you go to Seek to Excel on either Instagram, on Instagram, if you check the highlights, I've got some scripture memory lists that you can take from there and use as a guide to get you started, or if you want to do topics. Right now, several of my children are not saved yet. They're still quite young, so I like to do some of the Romans, and then I have some older children that are saved, so we also do some of that as well, where like this one you can see it's about praising the Lord. I don't know, that seems to be something I'm really drilling right now, probably mostly in my own life, so therefore they have to get it too. Is that how it goes? But anyway, if you check out Seek to Excel highlights, there's some scripture memory lists there. And yeah, that's about it. Give it a try.